Gloria from Base Marie Black 1, and this is Kadit Pena, Kadit Makarol, Kadit Ayawan. From PCST student.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, take your seat. Our topic for today is spelling English. Hello, ba?
Number 1, sino sasagot? Ikaw, Bea.
Spell out. Spell fish.
Mali.
Wrong.
Wrong. Yan, next. Ikaw.
Pen. Alright.
Okay. Number 2, sino sasagot? Taas kamay. Ikaw ulit. Kasi, spell gold. Tama. Number 3, sino sasagot? Ikaw. Spell silver.
Silver.
Mahirap. Ayun mo. Oh, tama. Very good. Number 4, sino sasagot? Ikaw. Nice. Tama. Number 5, sino sasagot? Taas kamay. Wala. Kaya, ikaw. White. Take your time. Sige. Hindi mo kaya? Ikaw.
Pakitulong ha.
Pakitulong.
Okay, number 6. Spell purple.
Sino? Taas kamay. Wala, ikaw.
Mali.
Mali. Ikaw, Bea.
Mali.
Mali. Northern Rex. Perfect ka na, perfect. Purple.